In this tutorial, I'll guide you on the swift and simple process of using a Capital One virtual card for in-store payments. Ensure you follow along if you're looking to make contactless payments using your phone. Start by accessing the latest version of the Capital One mobile app and select the card you want to use. Scroll down to locate the virtual card option. It might be at the top for some cards like the Venture X. Once you find it, view the virtual card details, which include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Copy or note down these details. To use the virtual card for contactless payments, open your preferred digital wallet. In this example, I'll show you the process for Apple Wallet, but it's the same for Google Wallet. Tap the plus sign, input the card details, and after proper verification, the virtual card will appear in your wallet as a payment method. Repeat this process for multiple virtual cards. The next time you're in store, select the virtual card as the payment method, and with NFC-capable phones, hold it near the card reader for a seamless transaction. I hope this tutorial proves helpful. If it does, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.